What's going on, guys? So we just, well, technically this was like 5 months ago, but we just passed 1,000 subscribers. What better way to celebrate it than making an actual subscriber play button that'll go right next to Dr. Doom, so you guys can see it in all my live streams that I do. Obviously that didn't take very long. I'm not gonna spend hours trying to create something that's not even gonna look good. But here's the final result. I would love to get a real one, but this is all I have access to right now. And it will be up there next to the Dr. Doom, like I said, on my streams. This was a short video, but I just wanted to thank for 1,000 subscribers, so thank you.